Today we're going to install the Havoc HS3 steps on the 2015 and up body style Ford F-150 Super Crew Cab. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so right now I'm underneath the driver's side of the truck. This is the very front. We're going to have 3 mounting locations that the factory has provided. Each of those mounting locations are going to have 3 studs coming out of the rocker panel. I've got one location right here. I've got another location right here. At the end of the cab, I've got my 3rd location. Couple of things I want to point out. Number one, do not use impact drivers to put on the hardware. Impact drivers can actually break these studs loose and they spin inside the rocker panel, and that's not good. Another thing, if these studs have paint on them, you want to get them off with an aggressive wire brush. Brush that stuff off, because there again, we don't want to start tightening this stuff down and have the paint clog up the threads and risk breaking that stud loose so it starts to spin again. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab a set of the running boards and set it up with the brackets up against the factory mounted locations. Now once I get all the studs lined up, I like to fasten just one on the center mounting bracket. Then we can go ahead and put washer and serrated flange nut on each one of the studs. We're going to do that on all 3 of our brackets. Then we're going to go ahead and start tightening everything down using a 13mm. All right, just like we did on the front 2 mounting locations, each stud on the rear mounting location is going to get a flat washer and serrated flange nut, hand tight. All right, now that we've got everything all lined up and everything all hand tight, we're going to go back through, tighten everything down using a 13mm. And now we can go ahead and tighten down the rear. And now we can repeat the exact same process on the passenger side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.